What's going on, y'all? Sean of Math Swap Tutoring here with another SAT type problem that I adapted from a real SAT problem. So before you solve this, I want you to make sure that you like this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. And then finally, I want you to be prepared as soon as you finish this to share this problem with a friend or with another high schooler who needs SAT math help. Now, the problem reads as follows. A basketball team's total score in a basketball game can be found by totaling the number of points from 1-pointers, 2-pointers, and 3-pointers. If the team's final score was 92, they scored 2 1-pointers and they made 3 times more 2-pointers than 3-pointers. How many 2-pointers did the team make? Now, there's a whole lot of pointers going on here, but don't let it overwhelm you. Just read very carefully and see what they're asking you. First thing we're going to do is understand that we have to convert this word problem into a math problem. We need to convert it specifically into equations. So first of all, we know that there's some total score. S is going to stand for total score. Okay. A is going to be the number of 1-pointers. B is going to be the number of 2-pointers. And then finally, C is going to be the number of 3-pointers. Okay. Now, so we got variables for everything. Now they say the team's final score was 92. So that means we know that S is equal to 92. They scored 2 1-pointers. So the number of, so that means that A is equal to 2. Okay. And then they made 3 times more 2-pointers than 3-pointers. How do we quantify that? That means that however many 3-pointers they made, which we denoted with a C, you have to multiply that number times 3 to get the number of 2-pointers, which is B. Okay? Just slow down and make that make sense in your brain. All right. Now, so we already know what 2 of the variables are here. Then we have an equation here that kind of shows a relationship between 2 variables. And also, oh yeah, and finally, never mind. Let me not get ahead of myself. And then finally, um, we need another equation that's going to tell us how to find the score in general. The score is found by adding up the total number. So it's going to be the number of 1-pointers times 1, because if you multiply the number of 1-pointers times 1, that gives you the total number of the score from 1-pointers, plus 2 times the number of 2-pointers, plus 3 times the number of 3-pointers. Okay. Now we have our 2 equations. We have 2 unknowns, B and C, because we already know what S and A are. That looks like a weird kind of 92, but you get the idea. So now, what are we trying to find? We want to know how many 2-pointers were made. So what I'm going to do is okay, so let's write this over here. S equals A. I'm just going to write A instead of 1A plus 2B plus 3C. Now, I'm going to take this and I'm going to put in B is equal to 3C, or 3C is equal to B. I'm going to put in B for this. Why? Because we're trying to find B. So if I can, since I already know this and this, if I can eliminate this unknown by subbing in how it relates to B, then we'll only have B as an unknown. Okay. So S, which is 92, equals A, which is 2, plus 2B, plus, instead of 3C, we're going to put B, because B is equal to 3C. 92 equals 2 plus like terms, 3B. We're going to move 2 to the other side. 90 equals 3B divided by 3. All right. And then 90 divided by 3 is 30. So 30 equals B. So we have 30 2-pointers. Okay. So that answers our question. Now, just for kicks, let's see how many 3-pointers we have. If we want to know how many 3-pointers, we know that 3 times the number of 3-pointers is the 2-pointers. So 3C is going to be equal to 30. Divide both sides by 3. So that means they made 10 3-pointers. 10 3-pointers, 30 2-pointers, 2 1-pointers. Okay. All right. Let me know what you thought about that question down below. I like to see your comments. Make sure you share it with somebody. Like I told you before, make sure you share because there's other people out there who need help too. And by you sending that, you help me to help them. All right. Well, good stuff. Y'all have a good one. Hey, thank you for watching this video. If you need math tutoring or you need SAT math help, look in the description to find out how you can sign up today. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you stay in touch with Math Swap Tutoring on YouTube. Have a good one.